Hi everyone, myself is Vishesh Modi Tripathi and I am the faculty of the different institution of civil services like as Alokan IAS Academy Jaipur, DU IAS Academy Delhi and Nischay IAS Academy Lucknow and many other institutions. Today we have to discuss about the 67th BPSC examination, prelims examination. Now we have to discuss the papers. First question is that a person standing in front of a mirror finds his image larger than himself. This implies that the mirror is the option number A is the correct answer. Option number A is this correct answer. Second question. A fan produces a feelings of a comfort during the hot weather because our perspiration evaporates rapidly, and option number D is the correct answer. Third question is twinkling of stars in a clear sky during night time can be explained with. This phenomena is actually explained by the help of the total internal reflection, but the option is not giving. So the correct answer, nearest answer is refraction of light. Hydrogen bomb is based, fourth question is hydrogen bomb is based on the principle of. This hydrogen bomb is based in the principle of uncontrolled fusion reaction. This is the right answer is uncontrolled fusion reaction. Now fifth question is food gets cooked faster in a pressure cooker because food gets faster in a pressure cooker because food gets faster in the pressure cooker because the water starts boiling at the high temperature due to the high pressure. We know that when the pressure is increased, then the boiling point of the substance is also increases, and boiling point increases, hence it contains more and more pressure, more and more temperature, and hence the water starts boiling at a high temperature due to the high pressure is the correct answer. Now sixth question is if the doors of a refrigerator are left open for a few hours, then the room temperature will be increases. Option B is the right option for the sixth question. Now seventh question is a piece of ice is floating. A piece of ice is floating in a beaker containing water up to its brim when whole of the ice melts. This question is based on the anomalous expansion of water. Generally, any substance is converted when solid to liquid state, then its volume is increases. But in the case of water, 0 to 4 degrees centigrade, when the temperature is increases, then the volume of the water is decreases, and hence for this phenomena, if we use this phenomena in this question, then the level of the water will come down in the beaker is the right option, but it is the depend on the mindset of the commission that what is the correct answer. My opinion is that the B option is the correct answer, but option number the water level will not change is also may be possible to correct answer. My opinion is that the B option is the correct answer. Now we have to discuss about the eighth question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Which of the following is not correctly matched? Then first option is that Voltmeter. Voltmeter is measured by the potential. Voltmeter is used to the measuring of the potential difference. True. Ammeter is different for. Ammeter is used to the readings of the electric current. True. Galvanometer is the electric resistance. It is not true. This option is, and hence इसमें not correctly matched. So not correctly matched is the galvanometer. Is electric resistance is not correctly matched. Potentiometer is electromotive force. It is also true. Hence D option is the correct answer for the question number 8. Now question number 9. If a feather, a rubber ball and a wooden ball. If a feather, rubber ball, wooden ball and feather ball are falling freely simultaneously from the same height in vacuum, then so we know that when any resistance of air is not exist in the atmosphere, then all the substance are freely falling are reaching at the ground at the same time. So this answer is so the right answer is this for the all the three will reach at the ground together is the right option. Hence D is the right option for the question number 9. Question number 10 is that when a soap film on the water is seen in the daytime, it shows beautiful colors. This phenomena is due to the interference of the light. So option number D is the right answer for this question. Option number D is the right answer. Interference of light. 11th question. The mass number of a nucleus. We know that the mass number in the nucleus is the sum of the neutrons and the number of protons. So the sum of the number of neutrons and number of protons. It is called the mass number. So option A is the right answer for this question. Question number 12. Which of the following is the main ingredient of the cement? The main ingredient of the cement. If we're talking about this question, then the main ingredient of the cement is limestone because it contains near about 60 to 65%. Silica clay, it is contained to 20 to 25%, and gypsum is also contained to 2 to 5%. But question is asking the main ingredient. Main ingredient is 60 to 65%. That is limestone is the correct answer. So 12th question's right answer is option number A. Now question number 13. Isotopes of the elements. We know that the isotopes of the elements, which types of the isotopes of the elements are the same number of protons but the different number of neutrons. And if the different number of neutrons occur, hence the mass number of the substance is different. It means that isotopes have the same atomic number, means that same number of proton, but mass number is different. So the option is correct is that the isotopes of an element differ in the number of the mass number. It means that the correct answer is the mass number. Mass number is the correct answer. Isotopes differ by the mass numbers. Okay. Question number 14. The temperature point at which solid, liquid and gaseous states may stay together is known as. It is a very simple question. It is called the triple point. It is called the triple point. It is called the triple point. Next question is that the most important ore of aluminium. The most important ore of aluminium. It is also very easy question. The most important ore is a bauxite. Option number A is the correct answer. Question number 16. Which among the following solution has a pH value more than 7? We know that the pH value more than 7 is the basic nature. So option number B is the correct answer. Option number B is correct answer for question number 16. Now 17 question. Which among the following is an incorrect option? Which among the following is incorrect? Which among following is incorrect? Incorrect means that It is very important to watching this. Incorrect option. First, atom is electrically neutral due to the presence of proton and electrons inside the nucleus. We know that the nucleus contains two fundamental particles, that is protons and neutrons. But a statement says that the nucleus is contained protons and electrons. So this is the wrong option, incorrect option. So first 17th A is the right option. Now question number 18. Select the incorrect statement out of the following. Select the incorrect statement out of the following. Cotton is suitable for use as clothing in summer because it absorbs moisture. Absolutely true. And this question also asking for the incorrect option. So first option is true. Polycarbonate is used for making CDs. This option is also true. Acrylic is also called artificial silk as it is prepared from cotton but has shine like silk. This option is not correct. So the option number C is the right option for the question number 18. Now question number 19. Which of the following statement about graphite and diamond? Which of the following statement about graphite and diamond is true? First of all, you have to know that the graphite and diamond are the allotropes of the carbon, but their physical structure are different. And first option, they have the same crystal structure. This is not correct. The structure of the graphite and diamond are different. They have the same hardness. No, because diamond is the hardest substance in the nature, but the graphite is a very soft. So this option is not correct. They have the same electrical conductivity. This is not correct. This is not correct. They have the same electrical conductivity. This is not correct. They can undergo the same chemical reaction. It is the correct option because both graphite and diamond are the allotropes of carbon. So chemical activity of graphite and carbon are same. So this is the right option for the question number 18. They can undergo the same chemical reaction. Now question number 20. Which of the following is a major constituents of the liquefied petroleum gas? Which of the following major constituent of the liquefied petroleum gas? So we know that butane plus isobutane and propane is the main component of the liquefied LPG. It means that liquefied petroleum gas. So option number D is the correct answer for the question number 20. Butane is the main constituents of the liquefied petroleum gas. Water passes from the soil into the roots by a physical process. This process is called the osmosis process. So option number D is the right answer for question number 21. Biodegradable waste can usually be converted into useful substance with the help of. We know that government are very serious to the program that biodegradable waste is converted into useful substance, and this action is done with the help of the bacteria. So option number A is the correct option for question number 22. In the night time, it is advised not to sleep under the trees because trees are respirate in the night time, so it release more and more carbon dioxide. So the option number C is the right option. They liberate carbon dioxide. Option number C is the right option for the 23. Question number 24. Insectivirus plants grow in a soil deficient because nitrogen. Due to the deficiency of the nitrogen, insectivorous plants grow in the soil. So option number C is the right answer for the question number 24. 25. Steam of a plants help in a distribution food to all parts of the plants. It also helps in stem of a plant help in the distribution of food all parts of the plants. It's also help in storing of the food. This is the right option. True. And shaping of the plant. This is also right option. So this question have a two right options. So the correct answer is E. None of the above. More than one option. It means that more than one option is में correct. So 25 questions. Right option is E. Question number 26. In the transfusion, blood must be compatible not in blood type but also. We know that transmission of a blood must be compatible only in the blood type and also for the RH factor. So option number A is the correct answer for question number 26. Question number 27. Pituitary gland is located in brain. Actually pituitary glands is located in brain. Okay, so 27 has right option for option number D. Now we have to discuss for this question. Pneumonia is an infection of pneumonia. We know that all infection pneumonia is related to the lungs. So option number D is the correct answer for question number 30. Question number 28. Which of the following rays waves are used to know the growth of a fetus in the womb? Very easy question. Ultrasonic waves are used to know the growth of the fetus in the womb. So option number C is the right option for question number 28. Question 29. The universal acceptor blood group. Very easy question. Universal acceptor AB and universal donor blood group O. So option number C is the correct answer for question number 29. Question 30 we have to discuss previously, and now we have to discuss about the question number 31. Covishield, the COVID vaccine of the India which is approved by the WHO in manufactured by. The question is say about that manufactured. Actually Covishield vaccine is the designed by Oxford AstraZeneca, Britain. But question is asking that the manufactured of a Covishield. Then option number A, Serum Institute, which is located in Pune, is the correct answer for question number 31. Question number 32. What is the length of the Atal Tunnel, Rohtang, Himachal Pradesh? This question belongs to the current affairs, and right option is 9.2 kilometer. Atal Tunnel length is 9.02 kilometer. Option number B is the right option for question number 32. In which year was the railway budget merged with the general budget? Railway budget is merged with the general budget in 2017 by the recommendation of the Vivek Dev Rai committee. Now next question is 34. What is the purpose of the Citizenship Amendment Bill? We have to clear about that the NRC and the CAA are different bills, and the purpose of those bills are different. The CAA bill purpose is that to grant citizenship to persecuted minority groups of Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. This is the right option. So question number 31 has a right option for option number D. Now question 35. The Central Vista project. It is a very limelight in recent days. Central Vista project. Central Vista project refers to the construction of a new parliament, prime minister office and vice president residence along with the common central secretariat. It is the right option. Option number B is the right option for question number 35. Question number 36. Which union territory formed after the division of the Jammu and Kashmir state does not have the legislature? We know that the Jammu and Kashmir divided into two parts, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Ladakh have not legislature. So option number C is the right option for question number 36. Jammu Kashmir have the legislature, but Ladakh have not legislature. So 36 questions, option number C is the correct answer. 37. Who is the Indian footballer who won the All India Football Federation AIFF Men's Player of the Year Award 2021? Current affairs question. And the right option is that the Sandesh Jhingan. Sandesh Jhingan is the right option for question number 37. Now question number 38. On which date was the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana started? Actually, Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana starting date is, actual date is 24 February by the Prime Minister in Gorakhpur. But actual date for this is 1 February is 2019 is the right option. So 38 question has the right option C. 1 February 2019 Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana started. In which game was the gold medal for the India won the Olympics 2021? We know that the gold medal of India, only one gold medal of India won in the Olympic, and it is obtained in a javelin throw by Neeraj Chopra. So option number B is the right option. Option number B is the right option for question number 39. How many medals have been won India on the Tokyo Olympic? In the Tokyo Paralympic medals, number of medals India won is 19. So question number 40 has the right option A. 41. On which date did India take over the chairmanship of the UN Security Council? Here are two different chairmanship of the UN Security Council. The right option is 1 August 2021. This date India take over the chairmanship of the UN Security Council. So option number D is the right option for question number 41. Now, when the US evacuated in troops from Afghanistan, who was the last American soldiers to leave Kabul? This is very tricky question, and option number C is the right option for this. Major General Chris Donan is the last soldier from Afghanistan to leave Kabul. Question number 43. Which French company supplied Rafale fighter jet to India? And this is the right option is Dassault Aviation. Option number B. 43. 44. When did the clash between the soldiers of India and China take place in the Galwan Valley? It is a very important current affairs in recent days, and this incident is occurred in June 2020. June 2020, 15 June 2020. So right option is June 2020. 45. In which country the Pegasus spyware has been developed? And the right option is Israel. Option number A. The Digital India Award 2020 was given to the Bihar government. Given to Bihar government by the providing services to people developed outside Bihar during the COVID-19 lockdown. Option number D is the right option for 54 question. 55. How many seats are reserved? How many seats are reserved for SC candidate? For SC candidate in Bihar Legislative Assembly. First of all, we have to know about that. Bihar Legislative Assembly have 40 seats to reserve for the different communities, SC and STs, and it is for 32 plus 38 plus 2. So SC candidates reserve list is 38. So option number A is the right option for question number 55. 56. In which year was 50% reservation to women in panchayats bodies provided in Bihar? This is right option is 2006. In 2006, Bihar giving the 50% reservation to women in the panchayat bodies. Okay. 57. In which year was Bihar divided create Jharkhand? Very easy question. Bihar divided in to Jharkhand in 2000. So option number A is the right option for question 57. 58. The new ministry proposed in the Bihar budget to the year 2021 to 22 focused, and it is focused on the skill development and entrepreneurship development. So option number D is the right option for 58. How many departments are covered under the Human Development Submission in Bihar? The Human Development Submission in Bihar contained 7 departments. So option number B is the right option for question 59. 60. From which district of Bihar was the Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan? Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan launched by the Prime Minister in 2020, and this district is the Khagadia district. So option number D is the right option for question 60. Which one of the following happens sites in Gujarat? And right option is that the Lothal sites, because this belongs to other states and only Lothal belongs to the Gujarat. So option number A is the right option for 61. Who was the founder of the Chola dynasty? Very easy question. Chola dynasty is founded by the Vijayalaya. So option number A is the correct answer for 62. 63. Who was the president of the first Buddhist council? The presidents of the first Buddhist council are Mahakashyap. So option number B is the right option for 63. The very easy question are occurred in this row. Next question is that who wrote the book Kiratarjuniya? Kiratarjuniya is written by Bharvi. So option number D is the right option for 64. The Qutub Minar was completed by, it is also very easy question, and the right option is that Iltutmish. Qutub Minar was completed by Iltutmish. Qutub Minar construction is started by Qutubuddin Aibak, but the Qutub Minar construction is completed by the Iltutmish. So option number A is the correct answer for 65. 66. Who was the founder of the Vijayanagar Empire? Very easy question. Vijayanagar Empire is founded by the Harihar and Bukka. So option number C is the correct answer for 66. 67. During the time of which Mughal emperor did Sir Thomas Roe come to the India? We know that in the time of the Jahangir, 2 important foreigners are come in India? William Hawkins and Sir Thomas Roe. So Sir Thomas Roe come to India in the time of the Jahangir. So option number C is the right option for 67. Now question 68. Ain-e-Akbari was written by, Ain-e-Akbari is written by Abul Fazl. Ain-e-Akbari is written by Abul Fazl. So option number D is the right option for 68. 69. The Rayatwadi system was implemented in, the Rayatwadi system was implemented in Madras as well as Bombay. So option B and option C are also correct. So here two options are correct. So the option E is the correct option because more than one of the above is correct in this question. So E option is correct for 69. 70. Question number 70. The uprising of 1857 was described as the first Indian war of the independence by, this is declared by the V.D. Savarkar. So V.D. Savarkar is the right option for 70. 71. The first woman president of the Indian National Congress was, if the question is asked about the first woman president of first Indian woman president of the Indian National Congress, then the right option is Sarojini Naidu. But asking about that first woman president of the Indian National Congress, it is Annie Besant. Annie Besant in 1917, he is the first woman president of the Indian National Congress. 72. Who started the General Bahishkrit Bharat? Bahishkrit Bharat is started by the Baba Sahib Ambedkar, Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar, published in the Marathi language. So right option in 72 is option number D. Question number 73. The Forward Bloc was founded by, we know that when the Subhash Chandra Bose is resigning in 1939, then he is founded a new party is called the Forward Bloc. So the right option for this question is Subhash Chandra Bose. And Subhash Chandra Bose, so B option is the right option for 73. Who was the finance minister in the interim government? Interim government, finance minister is Liaquat Ali Khan in 1946. So option A is the right option for 74. Who took lead the, question 75. Who took lead the Santhal rebellion of 1855 AD? We know that Santhal rebellion is in 1855 is led by the Sidhu and Kanu. So option number A is the right option for question number 75. Question 76. Who invented Gandhiji to come Champaran? Very easy question, and I think that this is the favorite question of Bihar. Is that we have to seen in the previous papers. One of them question are always asking in this incident, that is Champaran Satyagraha, and the right option is that Rajkumar Shukla. Rajkumar Shukla is the right option. So option A is the right option for 76. 77. Who had enlightened in Bodh Gaya? Attained enlightened in Bodh Gaya. Very easy question. Gautam Buddha is enlightened in the Bodh Gaya. So option B is the right option for question number 77. 78. Who established a branch of the Anushilan Samiti in Patna in 1913 AD? And this is Satyendra Nath Sanyal. Satyendra Nath Sanyal is the right option. So option C is the right option for this. Satyendra Nath Sanyal. 79. Who had formed the Bihar Socialist Party in 1931? Actually Bihar Socialist Party is two types. One is 1934 and 1931. In 1931 Bihar Socialist Party was founded by Phool Prasad Phulan Prasad Verma and Jay Prakash Narayan. So option number B is the correct answer for question 79. Next question is that, where is Sher Shah Tomb located? Very important. Sher Shah Tomb located in Sasaram, situated in Rohtas district in Bihar. So option number A is correct answer in question 80. Now we have to discuss about the question 2081. And the row of this R belongs to the geographical question, and geographical question are very conceptual in nature in this examination. First question is that geodesy is the science that deals with the first dating of the terrestrial rock, measurement of the dimension of the earth, measurement of the elevation and the depression of the earth, recording the change undergone by the crust. So right option is the B. B is the right option, that measurement of the dimension of the earth is the right option for 81. The theory of a continental drift, very easy question. The theory of continental drift is suggested by A. Wagner, is given by A. Wagner. So option number B is the right option for question 82. Sundra Trench lies parallel to the Iceland 2. Actually, Sundra Trench is parallel to Sundra Arc. Sundra Arc. And Sundra Arc are parallel to two islands, Java and Sumatra. So option number A and option number C is the right option for question 83, and hence more than one of the above is true. So question number E is the right option. So option number E is the right option for question 83. Next question 84. An effective Coriolis force. An effective Coriolis force results from, this question is belong to the rotation of the earth, and very easy, we know that the rotation of the earth is the main cause of the effective Coriolis force. So option number B is the right option for 84. Next question is 85. Which of the following countries does not have a land border for the Dead Sea? Very important, because recent days there are many disputed in this area are studied in the newspapers. So we have know that the Dead Sea contains Jordan, Israel and Philistine, but Lebanon is the not land border connected to the Dead Sea. So option A is the right option for 85, Lebanon. Okay? Because question is asking that does not have a land border. Does not have the land border means that which not separate with the Dead Sea by land, and right option is Lebanon. Next question is that 86. Ilmenite. It is a tough question. Ilmenite, which is widely distributed along the Indian coastline, is a mineral of. Then ilmenite is the mineral of titanium. Option number B is the right option for 86. 87. Compare the Himalayan river, the peninsular river based on the following comparison. It is the conceptual question based on the drainage system. First option, most of the Himalaya rivers are perennial, whereas most of the peninsular rivers are rain fed. Option A is the option 1 is correct. The gradient of the Himalaya river is steeper than the peninsular river. It is also correct. The peninsular river cause more erosion of its way in the comparison of the Himalaya river. This is not correct. So option 1 and 2 correct, and this is contained to option number A, 1 and 2. So 87 has the right option, A. Next question is that Ganga Plains has been described as the many of the students are giving answer to this question is geosyncline. But geosyncline plains are formed in the corner of the seas or oceans. So this is not correct answer. This is not correct answer. Actually Ganga plains described to the depositional plain. Ganga plain is described to the depositional plane, and here any option are not matched for this. So option A is also wrong, B wrong, C wrong, D wrong. So option number E is the correct answer for this. Option number E is the correct answer for this. None of the above, because Ganga plains is described as the depositional plain. E is the right option for 88. 89. Which of the following is the freshwater lake? This is not, because it is the salty lake. Chilka and Sambar salty lake. Wular is true. Loktak is also true. So C and D are also true. So more than one of the above. Hence E is the right option for 89. 90. Which of the following planets has the least density? Very easy question. Saturn has the least density. So 90 is the right option for question number 90. D is the right option. Saturn is the right answer for question 90. 91. What is the most famous feature of the Chiria located in West Singhbhum? This question is asking in the JPSC examination. And the most important feature of the Chiria is iron ore mining. So option number A is the correct answer for 91. Now next question, 92. Pattisima project. Current Pattisima project is associated with the integration of the which of the following rivers? We know that Pattisima project is the interlinking of the Krishna and Godavari. So option number B is the right option for this question, and hence 93. Which of the following statements are concerned with skirts and drumlins? Important question and very conceptual questions. Skirts and drumlins. Skirts are the ridges of the crudely bedded gravels and sands. It is the correct answer. True. Drumlins are constituted mostly of a boulder and clay. It is also true. Third, basket of eggs topography is the characteristic of a terrains with eskers, not eskers, nahi drumlins. So option number 3 is not correct. It is false. Option 4. Which eskers are built by, while eskers are built by the glacier streams, drumlins result from the glacier action. It is also true. So option number 1, 2 and 4 are correct. So this is option number B is the correct answer for question number 93. Now next question is 94. Combustion of underground coal occur in the state of Jharkhand. So option number C is the right option for 94. Which district of the Bihar has a mica deposit? Mica deposit is Nawada district. And any option are not present in the option, because Rohtas not, Patna is not, Gaya is not, Saran is not. Nawada is the right option, and no option is present in this question. So option number E, none of the above are the correct answer. So E is the correct answer for 95. Okay. 96. The confluence of the river Son and Ganga is located in the which district of the Bihar? Very easy question. Patna. Son and Ganga rivers are confluences located in Patna. So 96 had the B option is correct. Patna is the correct option. 97. The rivers Damodar, Koyal and Subarn Rekha originated from which of the following? These are the important rivers in the Jharkhand, and we know that Jharkhand are located in the Chota Nagpur plateau. So the right option is Chota Nagpur plateau, and C is the right option for 97. Next question. 98. Which of the first Ramsar sites in Bihar? We know that in Darbhanga district, first Ramsar site at Kanwar Jheel are added in the Ramsar sites in the list of the Ramsar sites. So C is the right option for 98. Next question. Brahmayoni Hills. Brahmayoni Hills located in which district of the Bihar? This is the right option is Gaya. Brahmayoni Hills is located in the Gaya district of Bihar. Next question. 100 number. Which agroclimatic region of Bihar has the highest number of district? It is the very important. Which region of the district has the highest number of districts? The northern based. It actually contains 13 districts. So option B is the right options. Right option for 100. Okay. Now next question is 101. Which of the following is not a part of the 11th schedule of the not part of the 11th schedule of the Constitution? First of all, we have to know about that the 11th schedule is related to the Panchayati Raj system. Okay, and the given options are libraries is 2, because in Panchayati Raj system 29 subjects given to the panchayats by and which contains libraries, true. Fuels and fodders, true. Rural sports is not true, so it is not a correct option. Technical training is also true. So question is asking about the not a part of. Not a part, only option number C. Only option number C is the correct answer. Rural sports. Option number C is the correct answer. Rural sports are not part of the 11th schedule of the Constitution. 102. How many numbers? Demands for grants are put before the Parliament as a part of the annual budget. In pursuance to Article 113 to Constitution. Actually, demands for the grants are different in different years. If we are talking about for this year, 102 demands for grants in the budget of present year. So option is not present any in the question. So E, none of the above is the correct answer for this. So 102 is the E option. E option. Because this year budget contained 102 demands for the grants, and E, none of the above are correct in this. So 102 has the E is correct option. 103. In which year was the National Extensal Services launched? So National Extensal Services launch, very factual question, is 1953. Option number A is the correct answer. 104. The members of the State Legislative Council are not chosen by which of the following categories? Actually, first, members of the local bodies panchayat, true. Teachers, true. Graduates, true. Industries is not correct answer. So option number D is the correct answer for this. 104. Industries are not chosen by the members of the State Legislative Council. Okay. The split system. It means the dividing system. In the Indian administration. Indian administration is a very important word in this question, because if the question is say about the Indian federal system, then the option is union and state is also true. But question is clearly stated that the Indian administration, the split system in the Indian administration relates to, and this is the correct answer for the policy and implementation. Option number C is the correct answer. 105 is the C option, correct answer. Okay. 106. Which of the following parliamentary committee is relating to the delegation of the power to make rules and regulation to the executive? This question belongs to the UPSC 2018 question papers, and the right option is the Committee on Subordinate Legislation is the right option for question 106. That is B is the right option for this. Okay. 107. Article 300 of Indian Constitution deals with Article 300 deals with the suits and the proceedings. Okay, so option A is the correct answer for 107. 108. Judicial process in the India based in the, actually judicial process in India are based clearly the procedure of established by the law. It is the correct answer. But the due process of routine law is also correct answer for this. And hence, the more than one of the above is correct in this question, for my opinion. But it is totally depend on the mindset of the commission that which of the option is correct. Actually, option B and option D is correct in this question. So, more than one of the above question is correct, for my opinion. So, it is the right option. But it is dependent on the mindset of the commission that what is the right. This is the blacklisted question. Blacklisted means that dependent on the mindset of the commission. Okay. 109. The first Lokayukt established. Which of the following state is the right option? Is the Maharashtra is the first state to establish the Lokayukt. So option number C is the correct answer. 110. Which of the following post was held by A.S. Ananda in 1990? The way of asking question of this is very tricky, and it is actually Chief Justice of the India in 1990. So option number B is the right option for 110. Okay. Now next question is 111. Among the following of the member is not a member of the 15th Finance Commission. Tough question is that Ashok Kumar Lahiri is the member of the 15th Finance Commission. Sudipto Mundale, it is not the member of this. Ramesh Chandra, it is the member of this. Ajay Narayan Jha is the member of this. So option number B is the right. Not is the member. So Sudeep Mundale is the right option for question number 111. Okay. 112. The recent union budget. The FM has increased the foreign direct investment FDI limit to ensure sector from the existing one of the, it is right option is 74%. 112, right option is 74%, that is C option. Okay. 113, as per the Union Budget 2021, fiscal deficit is estimated. 2021 fiscal deficit is estimated to how much percentage of the GDP in 2021 to 22? The right option is 6.8%, and this is the option number D. So 113 as the option number D is the right option. Okay. Next question is that 114. The best index of the economic development. Very repeated question in the examination. The best index of the economic development is provided by. This is the option number B. Growth in per capita real income from year to year. Growth in per capita income from year to year is the best index of the economic development is provided. Okay. So option number B is the right option for 114. Okay. Next question is that 115. the second phase of the Swachh Bharat mission, Gramin, is to be implemented during which of the time? This is the right option is 2020, 21 to 2024 to 25. C is the right option. So 115 is the C is the right option. 116. Who among the following is not part of the National Development Council? Who among the following is not a part of the National Development Council? Secretary of the Niti Aayog, no. The Secretary of the Planning and Program Implementation Ministry, no. The Vice Chairman of the Niti Aayog, no. The Chairman of the Finance Commission, no. So, none of the above is the correct answer for this. So, option number E is the correct answer for question number 16. Okay? 117. Not present in the question. Oh, 17. Now, I think that 5 to 6 questions are not downloaded in the PDF. We have to giving the answer in the next video to discuss for the next question 121. Extremely sorry for this inconvenience. Which type of the banks is proposed to the establish for the agriculture and the rural development in Bihar? And this is the Krishi Yantra Bank. Okay, option number B is the correct answer for 121. 122. The value of a Human Development Index of the Bihar in 2019. It is a previous year's current. 3 years ago previous year question. Previous year current. And 2019 the Human Development Index in the Bihar is 0.536. And this is not correct, this is not correct, this is not also correct. So none of the above is the right option for this. So 122 is the right option is E. Okay? 123. The fiscal deficit in Bihar during the 2021 to 22 estimated. This is the right option. 2510.88 crore. Rounding of this, then this is the 2511 crore. So option number A is the right option for 123. Okay? 124. Under the Digital Bihar program, which student will receive the computer education and the training from the 2021 to 22 onwards? And all the student of class 6 is the right option for this. So 124 is the B is the right option. Okay? 125. According to the 15th Finance Commission recommendation, how much share will be recommendance of the according to the 15th Finance Commission's recommendation, how much share will Bihar receive in divisible pool of the central taxes from 2021 to 26? And this is the very important question for the upcoming examination in the Bihar. Okay, so this is the right option is A, 4.12%. It means that if 100 rupees is given by the central governments to the states, then Bihar receives 4.12 rupees. Okay, so option number A is the right option. And for 125. 126. Where was the Ghadar party established? Ghadar party is established in the San Francisco, and San Francisco is located in the United States of America. So option number B is the correct answer for 126. Okay. Who established the Servants of India Society? Very easy question. 1905 AD mein. So this is the Gopal Krishna Gokhale is the right option for question number 127. Okay. 130. Who established the Indian Association in 1876 AD? And it is the Surendra Nath Banerjee is the right option A. So 130 is the right option is A. Next question is 131. In which country was the honorific Netaji applied to the name of the Subhash Chandra Bose? It is the Germany. Okay. So 131 is the right option, is option number C. Okay. 132. Who is related to the Who is related to Chittagaon Armory Raid? Chittagaon Armory Raid is related to the Surya Sen. It is a repeated question in the BPSC many times. Okay, so option number D is the correct answer for this. Okay. 129. Who participated in all the 3 round table conference? Then B.R. Ambedkar is the right option for 129. Option number C is the correct answer. Okay. 133. In the Anand Math of the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, which revolt is mentioned? Revolt is mentioned. Very easy question is Sannyasi revolt. Okay. So option number A is the correct answer for 133. Next. 134. Which of the following events happened first? Quit India movement 1942. Okay. Arrival of the Kisme 1942. And actually Quit India movement is the result of the failure of the Cripps mission. So first and yes, second pe ho gaya. Arrival of Lord Wavell as the Governor General, it is no. Arrival of the cabinet mission. So option number B is the incident which are occur in the first position. Oh, so arrival of the Cripps mission. Which of the following events happened first? Option number B. Arrival of the Cripps mission is the right option for 134. Next question, 135. Who was the president of the Lahore session of the Indian National Congress held in 1929 AD? It is also called the Purna Swaraj session, and we know that this is the and the president of this the Purna Swaraj session is Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, so this is the right option for option number C is the right option for 135. Next question. Who is not related to the Champaran Satyagraha? Actually, Champaran Satyagraha is the first important Satyagraha organized by the Mahatma Gandhi in the Indian political in that type of the Indian political system. And JB Kripalani छूट गया. बैक हो गया. हाँ यहाँ से हाँ Sorry for the disturbance. Who is not related to the Champaran Satyagraha of 1917 AD? The right option, J.B. Kripalani related, Rajkumar Shukla related, Rajendra Prasad related, Ram Manohar Lohia is not related to the Champaran Satyagraha. So option number D is the right option for 136. Okay, 137. One of the leaders of the revolt of 1857, Kunwar Singh. Very important question for the BPSC examination. Kunwar Singh. And related to which of the place? It is related to the Jagdishpur Riyasat located in the Ara district. Okay, so this is the right option is B for 137. Okay, now 138. During Quit India movement, during Quit India movement among the following escaped from the Hazaribagh jail. Hazaribagh jail escaped was the Jai Prakash Narayan. Okay, so option number B is the right option for 138. Next question. Who was the president of Gaya session of the Indian National Congress? It is also a very important question and a very repeated question in the BPSC examination. The president of the Gaya session of the Indian National Congress is the Chittaranjan Das, C.R. Das. Okay. After this session, in 1923, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru established the Swaraj Party. Okay, so this is the very important session for the Indian National Congress, and the president of the 1922 Indian National Congress Gaya session is Chittaranjan Das. Option number A is the correct answer for 139. Next question is 140. What portfolio Rajendra Prasad held in the interim government established in 1946? So, this is the right option. Food and Agriculture Ministry was given to the Rajendra Prasad in the portfolio of the interim government in 1946 AD. So, right option is the D. Okay. Next question. Question number 141 to 150 are related to the mathematics. I am giving the answers for these questions, options, correct answers for these questions, and the brief descriptions giving in the other videos for the mathematics questions. And but I am sure that the options is actually right in this video. Okay, so first, how many numbers between 200 and 600 are divisible by 4, 5, and 6? The option number C is the correct answer. If here is the any positive integer, then 3 to the power 4n minus 4 to the power 3n is always divisible by 17. Okay, 142, 143. The difference between the two numbers in 25600 and the sum of the numbers is 1000. The numbers are the 628 to 372. This is the right option. Okay. Next question is that 144. The value of log. The value of log based under root 232 is, the right option is 10. Okay. Option number C is the right option for 144. By selling 45 lemons for 40 rupees, a man loses 20%. How many should he sell for 20 rupees 24 to gain the 20% in the transaction? And the right option for this question is 18. 145 is the right option for 18. Option number B. Okay. 143. 144, 145, 147. No. 145, 146. A train of 110 meter long traveling at a speed of 58 km per hour, the time in which it will pass a passer by walking a 4 km/h in the same direction. It is the right option is 7 or 1/3 second. Option number C. Okay. Next question. 147. The perimeter of a rhombus is 52 meter and its shortest diagonal is 10 meter. Then the length of the longer diagonal is 24 meter. Option number D is the right option for 148. Next question. A clock is set right at 8 a.m. The clock gains 10 minutes in 24 hours. What will be the true time when the clock indicates 1 p.m. on the following day? Then the right option is at 48 minutes past 12 noon is the right option. That is option B is the right option. Okay. The value of the continued fraction. This the right option is option number A. Okay. 150 is the right option A. 149 is the right option B. 147 is the right option D. And 148 in a 100-meter race or A runs at 8 km per hour. If the E gives B as a start of 4 4 meter and still beats him by 15 seconds. What is the speed of B? Then the right option is 5.76 is the right option. Okay. So this is the total answers giving in 67 BPSC examination. Okay, 17 to 23 questions are not included in this portion. Shortly we have to giving the answer of the 17 to 23 question. Okay, दे दीजिए, हो गया. Actually, due to the technical issue, the question number 117 to 123 is not included in the paper. So we have to discuss for question 170 to 123. Question is match list which list 1 to list 2. Okay, first Sarkaria Commission. Sarkaria Commission is the related to central state relationship. Okay, C. Rangarajan Committee to review the methodology for the measure of poverty. Option number A. And the Parekh Committee, Narsimhan Committee is the banking sector reform. Parekh Committee is related to infrastructure financing. It means that 3, option number A is the right option. 3124. 3124 is the right option for this question. Okay. 117, 118. Consider the following states: Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal. Choose the correct sequence of the above in the ascending order as a rice producing state in India. Rice producing state in India. If we are giving the ascending order, then the right option is Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal for the previous years. But in this year, Punjab, then UP, then West Bengal is right option. If the answer of 118 is dependent on the mindset of the commission, because if he asking on the basis of the present year, then the right option is E. And if he asking in the previous years, then on the basis of the previous years, then the option D is the correct answer. Okay. So this is the right option is D. Okay. Next question, 119. 119. With reference to the Finance Commission of India, consider the following statement. The Finance Commission is India is a statutory body. No, it is a constitutional body. So this statement is not true. The Finance Commission was the set up under Article 280 of the Constitution. It is also correct. The recommendation made by the Finance Commission are only advisory in nature. Okay, advisory ही होता है nature में. Okay. The first Finance Commission of India was set up by now 1951. Okay. So only 2 and 3 are correct. So option number C is the correct option for 119. Next question, 120. With reference to the bare necessity index, BIN, consider the following statement. The economic survey has come up with the bare necessity index at the rural and the urban area. True. The BNI has been created for all the states for 2018 only. No, it is also created in 2012. So this statement is wrong. The BNI is based on 26 indicators. True. The BNI consists of a 5 dimension. So option number 1 and option number 3 is the correct answer. And this is the A option is the correct answer for this. So option A is the correct answer for 120 question. Okay. So this is the complete solution of the 67 BPSC prelims examination. Hope that we have to matching the answers and taking the strategy for the next steps. Okay. Thank you.